Most people don't realize this, but wealth is not about working harder, it's about thinking differently. The shocking truth is that 90% of people stay poor their entire lives, not because they can't earn, but because they follow invisible rules that keep them trapped. Today I'll break down 10 powerful reasons why most people stay poor, and exactly how you can escape. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. One of the biggest traps is living just to cover expenses. Most people earn money only to immediately spend it on bills, rent, and things that don't grow in value. They never pause to ask, how much of this money is working for me? The cycle becomes endless. Money comes in, money goes out, and nothing remains. It feels normal because everyone around is living the same way. But in reality, this is financial slavery, where your time, energy, and freedom are sold to survive another month. The escape? Pay yourself first. Even if it's just 10% of your income, save and invest before you spend. The moment you shift from consumer to investor, you start stepping out of the poverty cycle. 2. Not understanding how money works. Most people spend years in school, but almost no one is taught how money truly works. They know algebra, history, maybe chemistry, but not how to manage debt, how to build credit, or how to multiply money. Because of this, people fall into traps, like using credit cards recklessly, taking bad loans, or believing saving alone makes them rich. They don't realize that money is a tool, and without learning the rules, they're playing a game they'll never win. The wealthy, on the other hand, study money as if it's a language. They learn leverage, compounding, and assets. If you want to escape poverty, you need to treat financial education like survival, because in today's world, it is. 3. Chasing instant gratification. The poor spend money on what feels good now. New shoes, the latest phone, expensive dinners. The rich delay gratification. They buy assets first and let those assets pay for their luxuries. Every time you choose short-term pleasure over long-term gain, you're trading your future freedom for a quick hit of dopamine. It feels harmless, but it slowly drains your ability to build wealth. Escaping this trap requires discipline. Before every purchase, ask, does this bring me closer to freedom or keep me stuck? Small sacrifices today compound into massive rewards tomorrow. 4. Fear of taking risks. The poor often believe security comes from avoiding risk. They cling to safe jobs, safe savings, and never step into the unknown. But ironically, avoiding risk is the riskiest move of all, because it guarantees you'll never escape average. The wealthy understand that calculated risks are the price of freedom. They invest, they start businesses, they experiment. Yes, sometimes they fail. But each failure teaches them and brings them closer to a breakthrough. To escape poverty, you must rewire your relationship with risk. Instead of seeing it as danger, see it as opportunity. Start small, but start moving. 5. Relying only on one income. Most people depend on one paycheck, one job, one boss. The problem? The moment that paycheck disappears, their entire life collapses. That's why they stay stuck. One stream of income keeps them trapped. The rich build multiple income streams. Investments, businesses, side hustles, royalties. Even if one fails, the others keep flowing. This gives them freedom and peace of mind that the poor can't imagine. To escape, don't just work for money, make money work for you in different directions. Build skills, start small projects, and diversify your income sources. 6. Surrounding themselves with the wrong people. Most people don't realize how powerful their environment is. If everyone around you is broke, complaining, and negative about money, chances are you'll think the same way. The wealthy surround themselves with ambition, ideas, and people who push them higher. They network with those who have already achieved what they want, and in doing so, their own standards rise. If you want to escape poverty, you must audit your circle. Ask yourself, do the people around me inspire growth or keep me average? Your environment is either your cage or your ladder. 7. Thinking small instead of big. The poor often aim for survival, paying rent, covering bills, having just enough. The rich aim for freedom, owning assets, building wealth, creating impact. The difference is vision. When you think small, your actions remain small. You never take steps beyond your comfort zone, and you accept limitations as reality. Thinking big opens doors, it forces you to act, learn, and grow in ways you never imagined. To escape poverty, you must think beyond just surviving this month. Ask, what can I build in the next 5 years that makes survival unnecessary forever? 8. Ignoring the power of compounding. Most people underestimate the power of time and compounding. They think saving $5 a day or investing a small amount doesn't matter. But over years, compounding turns small amounts into massive wealth. Because they ignore compounding, the poor miss opportunities. They delay investing, they cash out early, or they never start at all. The wealthy start early, stay patient, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Escaping poverty is less about huge income and more about consistency. Small, smart moves multiplied over time create exponential results. 9. Believing hard work alone is enough. We're taught from childhood, work hard and you'll succeed. But if hard work alone made people rich, construction workers and nurses would be billionaires. The truth? Hard work is important, but it's not enough. What matters more is working smart. Learning leverage, building systems, delegating, and investing. The poor often confuse activity with progress. They stay busy but never move forward. To escape, shift your mindset. Stop asking, how can I work harder? And start asking, how can I work smarter so money grows even while I rest? 10. Waiting for the right time. Many people stay poor because they keep waiting. Waiting for the perfect job, the perfect idea, the perfect economy. The problem is, the right time never comes. Years pass and they're still in the same place. Meanwhile, those who took imperfect action are already building wealth. Perfection is the enemy of progress. To escape poverty, you must act now. Start small, fail fast, learn and keep moving. The wealthy don't wait for the right time, they create it. The truth is, poverty is not just about money. It's about mindset, choices, and habits. If you recognize yourself in any of these traps, don't panic. Awareness is the first step. Remember this, you are not stuck. You can rewrite your story. The difference between the rich and poor isn't luck, it's decisions. Make the decision today to learn, grow, and take control. Because if you don't, you'll end up living someone else's dream while yours fades away. Hit subscribe if you're building your empire one decision at a time. New videos every Tuesday and Friday.